When innovation is complex, execution is critical. Drug discovery and development is not a moment. It is 1,000 deliberate decisions. Advances in biology and technology are reshaping therapeutic innovation. Emerging antibody-based modalities, such as bispecifics and conjugated antibodies, are bringing Ehrlich's magic bullet closer to reality at scale. Next-generation technologies are broadening the gene therapy toolkit. Cell therapies are evolving into scalable allogeneic and in vivo strategies. Lipid nanoparticle platforms are enabling targeted delivery and controlled intracellular release. Advances in vector design are boosting transduction efficiency and tissue specificity. But innovation alone is not enough. Every decision shapes your path to patients. Every program raises fundamental questions about modality, mechanism, delivery, durability, risk. Increasing biological complexity makes CMC decisions more critical than ever before, with manufacturing becoming the limiting factor. Our scientists stand with you to accelerate your innovative idea from discovery to IND, enabling CMC, ensuring precision in every base pair, rigor in every batch record, and integrity in every data point, always with your patients in mind. Discoveries inspire headlines, execution reaches patients, and execution must scale. The future isn't a single therapy. It's built on platforms that can be engineered, scaled, and deployed across indications. Reduce your risk, optimize your strategy, and bring your discoveries to market more rapidly. The magic bullet was the vision. Execution makes it real.